To create a new product advertisement, a marketing product manager emails confidential information to an advertisement agent. The product manager enables email encryption to protect confidential information, then sends the email to the agent. The ad agent receives the email on his phone and clicks the decryption button to read it. Afterwards, the ad agent forwards the email to a coworker. To keep the product information from being delivered to others, he selects Do Not Forward from the IRM in the email settings. The receiver presses the email icon to see which IRM protection is applied to this email and tries to forward this email. He is unable to forward the email because forwarding capabilities have been deactivated.